Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time joining, thanks for joining, and if you've been watching my videos, thank you for coming back. So I got some things from Temu and I actually filmed a video for it, but for some reason the video was not good, so I just decided to attach the one I made for TikTok here before I show you the next order I made from Temu as well. This one is for my ice block. This is an ice tray. I love the fact that it has a cover. Under is silicone. You can just pop your eyes. This one is for my skincare routine. I'm always using paper to fan myself. And I decided to get a mini fan. I love how cute it is. It's so portable. It uses AAA battery. For my son, my husband insisted I get this because, old memories. Tetris, if you're that old, you will get this. This one is walkie-talkies. Just so that I will tell my son from the kitchen, stop disturbing your sister and stop that thing you're doing. Hope you're taking care of your sister. Monitor your sister. Oh. That is why I actually got it. And this is for my bedroom hangers. My bedroom wall hanger. That thing is always moving. I don't know. So I just got a lot. But as much as it comes out, I'm going to put another one. This is for my daughter. Cute little red dress for my daughter. Let me lay it down so you see it. Yeah. I love it. It's not bad. She's going to wear pop socks and those black tights with black shoes or white tights. So for my daughter. So cute, so girly. My daughter. This one, I love this one. Just because of the English style. Light. So it's looking. I love it. Really not bad. I don't even know why I ordered this thing from Temu because it's meant for my air fryer. And now it's just looking bent. Everything. Anyway, he traveled from a far distance, all the way from China. He tried sharp. It's 100 pieces for my air fryer just to fry stuffs. You get it. Because it's not so much of a great quality, but it's really nice. It's actually nice. I've joined them. Ginger shots. Yeah. I'm just trying to be better with my health. This is the cover. It's a gown. I've been shopping on Temu. I'm sure you have seen it. Because when I tried this thing looked like it's a long gown. It's slit by the side. It looked like I was pregnant. That's the hand. And it comes with a slit by the side. It looks good on me, Sha. Measuring tape, especially for these Temu orders, so that I can be able to measure whatever I'm buying in physical to know what the size is or the length is. And yeah, I like the fact that it's in a cute case like this. Even when it gets stuck, you can just click on this and it snaps back. I already started using these things before I remember that I have TikTok. Very pause that I know that if I put this one inside water like this, everything will wash away. Anyway, I just wanted something that I'll put my coloring pencils in it. It's just a basic purse that I used to store my pencils for my Bible. Let me introduce you to my daughter's doll that she's not really a fan of, but she has a beautiful hair. I actually washed this doll with my expensive shampoo and conditioner. Can you imagine? Just because I didn't want it to lose the silky texture, I'm like, let me not use ordinary soap. But I washed her clothes properly with regular soap, actually morning fresh. Yeah, she has shoes. Oh, I don't know why they removed her shoes. Her shoes are missing, but it will be found later on. She has shoes, and the only way she can sit is if you open her legs like this. But she's so pretty. She has a cap. Oh, I removed the cap. And I love the fact that her hair keeps changing. Like, see the coils. Hey! If you comb it, the coils keeps coming out. And see how wavy it is. See, Diva Lily. She's such a diva. I don't know if I even bought this thing for my children. I bought this for myself. God, it be like say they no buy me doll baby when I they grow up. I don't think they got a doll for me when I was a child because what is this? In my old age, see how I'm even looking at the doll. We've anointed her, prayed over her, whatever spirit she has, we cast and bind. not in my house. Hey, I love her clothes. Her clothes are not bad though. Actually shop for clothes for this doll, you guys. Hey, God help me. We're not really her size, so I'm gonna bring out my DIY talent. That means I have to sew clothes for her, do shopping. I love the pants. It's so nice. And then the top. This one is elastic. She's so cute though. Her shoes are white too. I don't know where to shop for shoes. Maybe that same Temu, because the one I got from Temu, they were too small. They're too small for her. Please, any tips on where I can shop for shoes and clothes for my daughter's doll? And what do you think about Lily? Isn't she cute? But why are you looking at me like that though? What? Looking so chilled and pretty. See the pants now. Oh, pardon. Welcome to the family, Lily. I just stick on. This is the other. Where's another person name? 24 reusable nails. Let me open it and show you. I'm going to use it. That's how it looks. I actually saw it from a vlogger. Her name is Chantel. And it looks so nice on her. I thought I'll try it out. These are magnetic tiles. Then build. You can see what I found. So at the end of the package. Package. I'm telling you. See guys. Because it's very thin. This is the part I used. This part of the blade. Potato chips. So let me do more. Come on, guys. Double of this potato, double of what you're seeing here was 10,000 naira. That is the bucket of potato, that coastal bucket that they sell in India. And this is yam. How many tubers you buy? 5 tubers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already cut one. How much? 18,000. Jesus. So the one that I've already cut. It was very big. The remaining one. The yam is white. Because my husband does not know how to buy yam. This is my yam looking white to make sauce. This one is empty. Is it egg sauce or normal sauce? Normal sauce. Now you know buy fish. Go chop on like that. Or sardine. I'm going to add salt into this now. Is it like, yeah. Try it. How many? I don't know. Maybe I said I want or two. Maybe I said 3. Wow. We got 3 eggs. Rapidly rising divorce rates, especially in urban areas. What are they doing over there? Bro, they got too many side chicks. The top divorce country in the world. You can't get it. Nigeria is number 2. In the entire world. Nigeria is close to number 1. Are you sure? Because the men and our country is lawless. So it's supposed to be number 1. Which law they protect Nigeria? Does law protect women in this country? I don't understand. I'm shocked. And I believe headquarters of spirituality. Spiritual. This is not correct. They are lawless. Their men are very useless. That's for a fact. Nigerian men are too promiscuous. Yeah, I disagree with the Nigerians. Yeah, I agree. On the list. My fellow Nigerians, can you testify? I need to put water. My lights, we don't have lights today.
That mineral that I bought.
I did drink it. I don't want to put it, so it's to wait for my sauce to be dry. I didn't want to put it when the oil was very hot, and I did not want to be running away. You guys, have you tried these biscuits? This biscuit is so nice. I'm not a fan of sugar, but it's very nice. In case you like sweet things, I think I've showed this biscuit in my video before. Sauce. It's getting dried. What is the same electrical work they do? Don't mind that.
Look at the one I'm taking. I'm taking.
Which one is short curly ones? Let's remove this one first. Say, mommy, it's too much. These things. I need to add more oil to this thing.
The access point here in the crypt.
Yeah, we can trust these tunnel maps. It's personal for this kid.
5 clicks out, sir. Radar, so makes me think that the compound's probably gonna be lightly guarded.
No one's gonna even know we're there.